Alright, welcome guys to another video. Today I'm gonna start making a text editor in 1 minute. It's gonna look pretty bad, but the end result looks slightly decent. I'm also gonna leave another text editor which I fully updated with new lines of code and functionalities you can actually code in the description below on my GitHub. But yeah, anyways, enjoy. Alright, so this is the finished product. As you can see, I put a print so you guys can see how it looks like. It is transparent and in white. It has a white border, and this is basically very simple. 1 minute, can't really do much. Now this is the updated one. It looks very much like Sublime Text. It has like simple syntax. It has line numbers that update, and it also has open, save, new, and many more capabilities. So just download down in the description on GitHub.